name is Rajesh Kulkarni. I am from Piaggio Group, which is based in Pune. It is an Italian brand. It is famous for two-wheelers and three-wheelers. Our famous brand is Vespa. All over the world, we have a manufacturing facility. And in Pune, we have manufacturing facility in two-wheelers, three-wheelers, as well as engine manufacturing. So we are in India from last 20 plus years. And in manufacturing, it is a challenge is that we need to do the data connectivity for production area and dispatches. So production area, we are using Oracle systems, which we are connecting all manufacturing touch point. We are capturing data from Oracle, and what are the data required for financial system, we are transferring from to SAP system. SAP is our backbone system for all financial systems. And when we talk about the dealerships, because we do sales via dealerships, so we have ingrown dealership management system, which is connected to all dealers in India. We have almost 1200 plus dealers. And if you talk about now a digital world, so what are our challenges that we need to have a data availability right time to take a decision for sales, marketing, dealers, everyone. So that is the integration we required for dealerships, Oracle system and SAP. The data need to be available on site to take a decision for dealers, resellers, distributors and service people. That is related to dealerships. When we talk about, we just in 2022 we started this activity for capturing the manufacturing touch points. So it is a basis step in 2023, but in 2023 we have roadmap to implement manufacturing system, MES system, to capture all data into the system. But primary phase, currently we are just capturing the basic quality related information with IoT devices. So that is the first step we are taking current year, but next year we have roadmap, and always there is a challenges for IoT devices, again security point of view or data capture point of view. We have challenges because last COVID there is a challenge for business impact, but now it is growing. All over world, that's business of three-wheeler and two-wheelers is now growing step by step. So we have challenges to have reach, our customer reach to all locations. So we need to do more technology front where data is available for everyone. We are just trying to get innovative ideas for mobile application development, as well as real-time data available for production teams to take a proper planning, as well as it will connect to my dispatches or spare part teams or sales teams. So right now there is a different application we have. So we are planning to integrate the applications and have a single platform, or maybe we talk about dashboard reporting, BI. So we are now enhancing in all BI systems also. So that is we are doing right now. So our business critical application is SAP, and it is now on premises. It is based in Italy, our headquarter. So we have a roadmap to go with Azure, but it will take time because it is a single system with all multiple plants available there. So we have a roadmap to go with cloud solutions, like we are evaluating dealer management system also through cloud. That is, maybe we are using different technologies. So definitely we have to go with cloud because data availability is important, and having on premises, it is a risk as well as cost. And again, this is person dependent activities currently. We are facing that challenges, but definitely there is a roadmap, definitely go with cloud solution. Right now not we are thinking this, but definitely that like four-wheelers is already having that, but in two-wheelers, it is, we are not done that activity, but I think we need to go that also. Because our Italian Vespa brand is famous for world, it is for stylish brand. And we sell our vehicles only on the brand or style only. Because if any customer want to buy our vehicle, he decided that I need to buy Vespa only. So in India also we are not comparing our vehicle with other brands. Currently we are having two kind of things. One is IoT connectivity for my all machines which are old, and we are taking compatibility of, okay, is this machine is going to possible to connect, because there is upgradation of devices or integration with other partners. That we are in evaluation phase currently.